Well, everything doesn't seem to be going well between IPS officers in Maharashtra and the Home Minister R.R. Patil. In the history of Maharashtra, for the first time, the IPS Association has passed a resolution against the government, especially the Home Minister, for neglecting their demands of a meeting.
The IPS Association of Maharashtra is seemingly miffed. This resolution letter, accessed exclusively by Headlines Today, clearly shows how for the first time in the history of the Maharashtra IPS Association have passed a resolution expressing their displeasure at the treatment meted out to its officers by Home Minister R.R. Patil.
In other states, all powers with reference to IPS and police are with the Chief Minister, yet he is available to resolve the grievances. In Maharashtra, much of those powers have been given to the Home Minister. He has got only one subject to handle, and even then, if he is not giving an appointment, certainly it's a very distressful situation from the point of view of administration.
The association was forced to pass the resolution against the Home Minister as their repeated attempts to seek an audience with him fell on deaf ears. The association already wrote two letters to R.R. Patil, one dated December 3, 2013 and the other on the 17th of January this year. When there was no response from the Home Department, the association passed the resolution and sent it to Patil on January 23rd this year. The displeasure towards the state government came to such a point that the DGP of Maharashtra, Sanjeev Dayal, who is the de facto president of the association, even resigning. Even additional DG P.K. Jain of Special Operations resigned from the service a week before his retirement to register his protest against the Home Minister for the way the IPS were treated in the state. It is bad enough that the Commissioner's appointment remains a bone of contention with the state and its officers. And the anger now towards the Home Minister R.R. Patil is something that the Maharashtra government can really do without. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.